City Mayor, J. Warren Mapillaran. To all our partners in development, our fellow public servants, our farmer leaders and cooperatives, guests from all sectors, ladies and gentlemen, balikon na to. Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. On behalf of the people of Bukidnon, I extend my warm welcome to all of you here at this milestone event, the launch of the Agricenso Plus lending program. Here in Bukidnon, we have long understood that agriculture is not just the foundation of our economy, it is our culture, our identity, and our shared future. But for many, our farmers, access to capital has always been a major block. Too many of them rely on informal loans with high interest rates without access to fair and inclusive financial services. And without capital, it's difficult, sometimes impossible to grow, improve productivity, or reach better markets. Tingin kalisod ang farmer ako, usay ka itong ka-farmer. Ako nga mahal, usay ka itong ka-farmer. Una nga, kung sa inyong na-experience makuha, ako ito na-experience. Eh ako mismo, kabulong kong drive ng Camaw. Eh farmer man, hindi mga natawa ng farmer, hindi ka kabulong drive sa mga Camaw. But siguro karon ang upan wala na yung Camaw, i-mechanize na. That is why today's launch is so important. The Agricenso Plus lending program, championed by Landbank and supported by the national government, is more than just a lending initiative. It's a powerful platform for hope, empowerment, and change. Siguro, every administration na mag-usap, may better ideas na magawas. No? It brings formal credit closer to the countryside, making it easier for our farmers to access the support they need. Paired with financial education and digital tools that ensure long-term sustainability. Okay? When I was still a congressman, pirmigin naman na kayo tanong na pangutaan na ano, hindi na mahulam ang landbank, no? Ang bangko sa mga farmers. No? Eh kasagara sa mga farmers, walang assurance ng mga bayan.